Hi everyone, welcome to One-Time Engineering Tutorials on Antenna and Wave Propagation by using CST Studio. So I have divided these tutorials in terms of different labs. So this is our lab experiment number 1, in which we will discuss about the introduction to computer simulation technology CST Studio. So in this lab we will basically learn that how we can start a CST and what are the different options while starting CST Studio, and we will also discuss about the different windows and different options available in CST. So we will follow the different steps in this available in this lab manual, so that you can easily learn the CST in different steps. So first of all, start your CST Studio software and click on new template. New command window will be shown, and as I have already discussed that CST is basically advanced software, and it provides different options in different domains, so that when you will select any option, it will move toward a specific domain. And the basic advantage of selecting such type of domains and such type of options is that it will provide a very limited components, or you can say that only components of that domain. So it will be very simple. So first of all, as we have started our tutorials on antenna and wave propagation. So first of all, we will select microwave, RF and optical option, because all these antennas can be placed in this microwave, RF and optical domain. Similarly, EDA, electronics and many other options are also available in CST. So after selecting microwave, RF and optical, you have to select any one option from these options as well. First of all, if you would like to work on antennas, then you have to select antennas. Similarly, you can also select circuit and components if you want to work on circuits and components. You can say that lumped components in RF and microwave. Similarly, if you have to work on radar cross section, then you can select this option as well. Similarly, biomedical antennas and then biomedical imaging and such type of projects can be done here in this option as a biomedical, or you can design SAR antennas or SAR relevant projects. Similarly, there are various options that you can choose as per your choice. So as we have started our tutorial on antenna and wave propagation, so you have to select antennas and click on next. As you know that antennas are different, antennas have different types. So first of all, you have to select the type of antenna. For example, if you have to design a waveguide antenna, then you can just click on waveguide and click on next. Similarly, you can design patch, wire, phased array antennas, and similarly many other options are also available. So you have to select your relevant option as per your choice, as per your project, or as per your research. So just click on next. After that, you have to select the solver. Most common solvers are time domain and frequency domain solver. Similarly, you can choose integral equation solver as well. Many other solvers are also available in CST. So what is the basic difference between time domain, integral equation and frequency domain solver? Such type of concepts will be discussed in upcoming videos as well, inshallah. So after selecting the type of solver, you can click on next. Now you have to select the units. You can change units as well depending upon your type of project or your demand. For example, if you have smaller type of antennas, then you can change this unit to the micrometer, or you can change the unit to the meters for larger type of antennas as well. So these are different units that can be changed as per your demand. So just after defining the units for different variables like dimension or frequency, so just click on next. Now you have to define the minimum and maximum frequency of your project. Let's say you have to work on Wi-Fi antennas or antennas that are operating at 2.45 gigahertz. So you can select the range from 2 to 3 gigahertz, or 2 to 4 gigahertz, or 1 to 4 gigahertz, as per your choice. So after defining the range of your antennas, you have to select the monitors as well, like E field, H field, far field, or power flow, or you can select the power losses as well. It just depends on you, that either you have to check the results in E field, H field and far field, or you have to check the results in power flow as well, or you have to calculate the power losses as well. So just you have to click on the relevant option as per your choice or demand. After that, you have to define the frequencies at which you have to check the results of all these values. So if you have to check the results at 2 or 3 different values, so you can define all these values. But if you have a dual band antenna, and let's say you want to check the result of that antenna at 2.2 and 2.5, then you can select these frequencies as well. But if you have an antenna that is only that only works on 2.45 gigahertz, so in that case you can define a single frequency as well. But if you have to define multiple frequencies, then by using simple semicolon symbol between these two frequencies, you can define the multiple frequencies as well. So after defining the frequency and monitor values and minimum and maximum frequency, just click on next. It will show you a summary of your setting. Just you have to overview the summary of all these components and all these values. So if you think that there are few values that are not correct, or you have to change these values, then just clicking on back option, you can change the values as well. But if you are okay with all these settings, then just click on finish and your project will be started. So now this is the main window of CST. So first of all, let us discuss about the project manager, and then we will discuss about the parametric window, and then we will discuss about the message manager and progress window. And the main window is basically 3D modeler window in which you can view your projects. Right, so here we will discuss about the menu bar options and different tools available in that menu bar. So let us quickly overview all these windows. So the first window is basically, as we have already discussed, that it is basically project manager. So project manager contains all the components, and you can show and open all the components, and you can check all the values of the components here in this component list. Similarly, you can check the groups, material, faces, and all the curves that you have designed in your antenna design. Similarly, anchor points can also be shown. Similarly, you can check the lumped elements as well. If you have defined any plane wave, then you can check the plane waves as well. Far field sources can also be observed and edited, and you can change the value of far field sources as well in this project window. Similarly, if you have defined the field sources and ports for your antenna, then you can check the location and values of your ports as well. Similarly, far field monitors can also be overviewed in this window. For example, if you have to check the E field, H field and far field values at 2.45 gigahertz, which you have defined at the start of your design, so you can check such type of field monitor values as well here in this project window. Similarly, you can check the results as well. For example, if you want to check the 1D results, or you have to check the S parameter or any other 1D results, then you can check these results here in this project window. Similarly, you can check the 2D and 3D results. For example, if you have to check the gain or you have to check the radiation pattern of antenna, then you can check such type of results here in this project window. Similarly, far field results can also be shown here in this project window. So that's all about the project window. Similarly, this window is basically parametric list, or you can say that parametric window, in which all the parameters, or you can say that all the variables that you have defined during your design will be shown here, and its expression and value and complete description can be shown here in this parametric window as well. Similarly, result navigator will also shown here when you will check the results of your antenna. So result parametric and result navigator shown here in this parametric window. Similarly, this window is known as messages and progress window. So all the messages relevant to your design, like warning messages, or you can check the error messages here in this messages window. Similarly, when you will start the simulation, then the progress of the simulation will be shown here in this messages and progress window. So after this this window is basically the major window in which you can overview the project, overview the design of your antennas in this main window. So these are 4 windows in which you can check the result, and you can observe the components and all, and each and everything relevant to these windows. So now let's move toward the menu bar. Menu bar contains basically 6 to 7 options, in which the first option is about the file in which you can save your project, or you can open your project, or you can close your project, and a little bit more options are also available in this file window. You can save this file, or you can save your project with any name, like let's say I would like to save this as a tutorial 1. So you can define the name of your project, and then you can save your project here in this. So as I have already defined tutorial 1, so I would like to replace that project with tutorial 1. So there is no restriction of path while saving your project. Okay, so that's all about the file option. Similarly, you will move toward the home window. So home window provides the basic setting before starting your design. For example, as we have already defined the units, but now you are not satisfied with all these dimensions or unit, so you can change the units here. For example, you have to change the dimension for your length, like you have to use the unit for length as a meter or centimeter, then you can change here in this menu bar. Similarly, simulation project information can be checked here, and you can create new simulation project as well. As we have already defined the type of solver, so now you can change the type of solver as well in this home menu bar. Similarly, after the successful completion of your design, you can start your simulation by just clicking on start simulation. Similarly, you can define the optimizer setting as well. You can check the mesh view, and you can check the global settings as well in this home menu bar. But the most important thing that is available in this home menu bar is macros, in which you can calculate the impedance of different antennas, like if you have to calculate the analytical line impedance of your coaxial feed line, or you can check the different impedances for different projects as well. Similarly, there are a lot of options are available in this macros window, like you have to construct any model, or you can check the result of your antenna designs in this macros windows as well. So that's all about home menu bar. Similarly, each and everything is available in modeling window regarding your design of any type of antenna. First of all, you can import or export. You can import any other design of your antenna in this project. Similarly, you can import the 3D files as well. Similarly, you can export different type of files as well in this modeling menu bar. Similarly, background material and new material settings can also be adjusted and edited in this modeling, and later on you can define the breaks, and all types of shapes are also available here in this modeling menu bar. We will discuss one by one different types of shapes and its operations in upcoming videos, inshallah. Similarly, you can transform your different types of models, and you can translate, rotate, and you can perform in many other options that are available in this transform menu bar. Similarly, you can add or subtract or such type of boolean functions are also available in this menu bar. You can align and bend different surfaces as well. So all the shape tools are also available for the design of different types of antennas. You can define the curves and different polygons here in this modeling menu bar. Similarly, pick tools are also available here in this modeling menu, and many other options are also available. So all these options will be discussed in upcoming videos while designing different types of antennas. Now move toward the simulation. So after successful completion of your antenna design in modeling, now you will move toward the simulation. So before starting the simulation, it provides few options to complete the setup of your design before starting the simulation. For example, if you have to adjust the frequency or background or boundary conditions, then you can define such type of settings here in this frequency and background and boundary. All these settings can be done in this menu bar. Similarly, if you have successfully designed your antenna, now before starting the simulation of antenna, you have to power up your antenna, and for that purpose you have to define waveguide or discrete port, or you can define plane wave or lumped element. So all these options are also available in this simulation menu bar. Similarly, field sources and field imports can also be defined here in this window. Field monitor can also be defined in this window, in which you will define E field, H field, far field, or such type of fields that you would like to define, and you have to check the results of all these parameters. Similarly, solver settings are also available here in this menu bar, and different pix options are also available in this window. Similarly, you can change the global setting and mesh view in this window as well. So moving toward the post processing. So post processing provides you the option of import and exports as well. You can start the S parameter calculation as well. Similarly, you can it provides an important options of result templates as well. You can select the result templates of different results like S parameters, gain, radiation pattern, or any type of results can be observed here in this result template commands. So that's all about the first 5 menu bars. So the last one is about the view, and view option provide the modern view option. You can add different options, and you can remove different options from here in this view options. You can copy and export images as well. Similarly, you can hide and show different type of images as well. Wireframe can also be shown here. Working plane can be switched off, or you can also switch on the working plane to define different points on this plan. Similarly, the dimensions can also be measured here in this view bar. Similarly, rectangular selection is also available. Mouse control option are available here in this mouse control status. So let's say you have to move your design in plane, then you can rotate your design in plane as well. Similarly, if you want to zoom in or zoom out your design, so you can use the dynamic zoom option here. Similarly, you can rotate the antenna in all the directions as well, and there are few other options as well in this view bar. First of all, you can select and you can remove the different windows here in this view menu bar options as well. So that's all about the basic introduction of CST Studio, that how you can start your design on CST Studio. So in upcoming videos we will start designing different types of simple antennas, and later on we will move toward the complex and some latest type of antennas. So that's all about tutorial 1. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest videos as well. Thank you.